Very good evening friends, and in this video we'll discuss about how we can change the fragment or by the click of a button. So this is we are starting from the previous video where we placed two fragments in these two relative layouts, and if you do not connect it, then just go back and watch that video. So here I just add one more button, and this is our activity main.xml file, and here I just try to provide the width to the button as 180 density independent pixels, and then the height I think 40 dp is enough, so 40 dp, and then we will add simple one ID to this and then one text onto this, and on the click of this button a particular fragment will be replaced by another fragment. This is one simple task we are trying to do. We are trying to replace the fragment dynamically. So the text on it is click me, and Android ID is ID at the rate of button click. So this is done, and okay, we can add the on click functions also, and the functions we are going to name it as check me. So this is the function check me, and now here by click of this red bulb I create a function check me in the main activity.java, and then first I have to initialize my variables. Then let me remove this, or no, this don't need to remove. This is the third fragment, and just I'm going to provide the text on this as fragment 3. So its color is purple, yes, this one, and this one is going to come at the place of the fragment 2 or 1, whatever I just place in that function. So now this is our height 200 density pixel. I think I should make it as 150. Yes, little shorter is fine. This is the fragment 1, and here also in the fragment 1 also I make it 150. So all my fragments, 3 fragments, have the height as 150 density pixel. This is the first one, and then that one is second one, and the purple one is third one. Okay, this is 2 is the yellow and the 3 is the purple. Okay, now I think you understand, because on by default these two first and 2 are there already on those, and when you click on the button then the third one will be replaced. So I have already created the objects of the 2 fragments. Now first let me instantiate this button, and it can be obtained by the name of the button. So the button equals to find view by ID, button equal to find view by ID r.id dot button click, and then I will go on this function, because this function will be called when the button will be clicked. So get support fragment manager dot begin transaction, and replace r.id dot container2, means container2's fragment will be replaced by new fragment. This is the object of the fragment 3, and this is fragment. I think I forgot to create the fragment 3, so let me just do it fast. So already I have 2 fragment classes, so I just copy and paste the third one, and just name it as fragment 3. So all these 3 fragments will have the same features, only their difference in their layout. So I just replace this r dot layout as the r dot layout dot fragment 3. You can watch the previous video if you're not able to connect with this video. So this is the extension of that video. So now here I just pass the object of the new fragment 3, and then I press commit. So this is done. Just I'm going to run my application, and then you'll see that when I'll click the button, then the activity which already have 2 fragments, and the second fragment will be replaced by the third fragment. So here just let me provide the gravity to this as center, so that our thing will be in center, and the gravity also center, so that the text on it will be properly placed in the center part of the button. So here it goes. Now I'm running the application. Now see, this will show the two activities. These are two fragments. Now I click on the button, and then you see second one will change to purple. It means dynamically, or you can say by the click of this function, this fragment is changed. So it is just a simple application. If you just put different fragments content, the different contents of the fragment, that will also change. Thank you very much, and watch our next video. We'll talk about fragment communication. Have a nice time.